Haina shida. Wamesema mashini yao atuachi. Wanaenda na mashini yao, wanaenda na kila kitu. It's okay. But we can do today and then you can do tomorrow. Mimi naitwa Shiko. Unaitwa nani?
Me, my name is Aziza.
Yes.
Yeah, I create demand, marketing.
I can get a mic. I use mine. Can I get a mic? Your name is Aziza.
Yeah.
And his good name? Peter.
The sonographer.
Sonographer.
Yeah, the doctor.
The doctor. You create?
I create demand, marketing.
Oh, marketing. Hiyo ndio kazi yako.
Yeah.
Tuende nalo. Hivyo sasa. Sasa leo niko na teacher wa marketing. Alafu nini unafanyanga nini? Okay. Ndio hapo.
Call it ultrasound. Yeah. We scan females with pregnancy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, unafanyanga. So mimi kama mimi, I've had when I gave birth to my son, I did like a family planning.
Okay.
Sawa.
Yes.
Me, what I wanted you to do, you tell me whether you can do that with me, is you check me whether we change another one.
Okay.
Ama we remove that one.
So it depends with that family planning. You do which one? IUCD or the Cadel?
I did UCD.
Okay, we can check if it is in place.
Yes.
Or it has displaced. You can change.
We can change.
Yeah.
If it has kama iko
haina shortcut, itatolewa iwekwe nyingine.
Kama imefanya nini?
Kama imemove.
Kama imemove.
Imesonga from its place.
But I had if I don't change my partner, it will not change the positioning. Inabadilika nikibadilisha mzee.
Hapana.
Inasonganga lini?
Inasonganga tu.
Inasikia tu kusonga.
Sometimes. Yeah. Wanga na nini sex ingine ya vita tu. Mahusiano ya vita.
Yo hard. Inaikoroga. So kama imesonga hivi we change.
We change.
Okay. If I want to have more kids, we also have to remove it.
Yeah.
So that is also your business, ndio?
Yes.
The other one you also check the baby is okay, the baby is fine.
Yeah.
Na nini nyingine?
We do many ultrasounds.
Yeah.
We do even prostate ultrasound, abdominal. We check your abdomen, your kidneys, your liver, your internal organs. Yeah.
Okay.
We do even thyroid ultrasound, testicular ultrasound. Yeah.
Zote. But with our women, what did you want us to do?
With our women?
Yes.
So we check the baby.
Yes.
Filameka.
Yes.
Gender.
Yes.
If it is kama iko sawa, kama amefikisha miezi